Today I'm excited to speak about the newest mid-range phones from Samsung, the Galaxy A54 5G and A34 5G. These phones are the newest additions to Samsung's popular A series, which has acquired a dedicated following over the years. One of the main elements of last year's A series was the amazing battery life, so naturally, we're keen to hear whether Samsung has improved on that front for 2023. While we can't tell for sure until we run these phones through our thorough battery testing and benchmarks, we do have some early information that we can offer. Samsung has announced that the new Galaxy A54 and A34 models may survive for over 2 days, which is a positive indication. Nevertheless, we should mention that the battery capacity of both phones remains the same as the previous models at 5000 mAh. So, what's different? Samsung has apparently made improvements in software optimization and power efficiency of the chipsets, which may have led in the improved battery life. Moving on to charging, both the Galaxy A54 and A34 support a maximum charging speed of 25 W, which is the same as last year's models. Although its charging speed may not be the quickest in the market, it's still respectable enough to offer you a rapid boost when you need it. It's worth noting that neither phone comes with a charger in the package, which may be a bummer for some consumers. Yet, this appears to be a trend in the smartphone business, since many other manufacturers are also shifting towards eco-friendly packaging that eliminates chargers and earbuds. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A54 and A34 appear like promising mid-range phones that promise enhanced battery life and 5G connectivity. Nonetheless, we'll have to wait and see how they perform in our battery testing and benchmarks. So, what do you think about these phones? Are you intending to purchase one? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.